Hey guys, welcome to Game Point. This is your host Amok, and I'm going to a very special event today. This is my second vlog. I have already made one vlog which was about the GTS meetup, which happened something 3-4 months back in YouTube Space Mumbai. So this is my second vlog, and today I'm going to another YouTube event called as YouTube Happy Hour, which is gonna happen today. That is 22nd of November in Andheri. So I live in Thane, so I'm going there by bus, and I'm gonna record this a short vlog so that I'll tell you the journey and what the things that are gonna happen there. And this is gonna be a really exciting event because I was planning to attend such type of events from very long, and luckily I got the invitation. I did register for the event something like for 2 or 3 weeks back, and I got the invitation finally today. So yes, I'm going to YouTube Happy Hour. Though I'm going alone, I actually invited my 2 or 3 friends, but I didn't get the confirmation mails. So no issue, I'm going alone, and I'm gonna record this a short vlog to tell you a short story about this event. So I'm pretty much excited, and let's see how this thing goes on. Okay, so the vlog is started. Let's see how much time it takes. I need to catch the bus and then again go from bus and get down at Jogeshwari, and from there I'll take an auto or maybe taxi, and then I'll go to the Little Door Club. So I'm not sure how much time it's gonna take. I hope I'll reach there by time. So let's see how this thing goes on. Okay guys, so I am in the bus right now. The bus came pretty fast actually. As soon as I just reached the bus stop, the bus came within just 2 minutes. It's pretty good, so I hope that I'll reach there within time. Right now I'm recording this from my earphones microphone because there's a lot of wind noise outside. So I just thought to record it from a microphone because I thought the voice may not come. So let's see, the event is as at 6:30 and right now it's currently 4:30 p.m. So I have 2 hours to reach there. So let's hope that I won't be late cause I don't want to miss anything. So see you there.
So you have a huge chance to accept 25 days, like having 25 points right now. Yeah, so we are starting with team blue now. Yeah, we are starting with team blue, guys. Hey Leon. Hey Leon. What's up, bro? Yes. Where's your team? Team white. So this, and one important thing, we are going to do a special challenge, which is
Mannequin challenge, yeah.
yes, we are going to do this after the game, so make sure you are ready. And yes, YouTube t-shirts. So choose a number again.
Alright guys, there's a last round which is called How Well Do You Know Dhananjay Bhosle? And just for the sake of practicing a happy hour hosted by Dhananjay, each team will get 25 points for each correct answers. And if you answer it wrong, you will be minus with 25 points as well.
Yes, you have 5 seconds to answer this question. How many live tech Q&As have I done till today?
How many?
Live tech Q&As have I done till today? 5, 4, 3, 38. 38 is the answer for...
हम लोग बोलेंगे इसको करने का।
ये record lock कर दो। Saurabh Nahar is the first one.
Saurabh Nahar, he limited Saurabh Nahar himself.
It's okay. And sir, this is a joke. Sir, this is a joke. We are just... This is a joke, sir. We love you, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
किसको कर Gigi Ranjit, I guessed it right. Gigi Ranjit, hello sir, I hope you are watching this video.
Yes.
Yes.
I know technical.
Hi guys, this is Ranjit and in this video we will unbox the Lenovo Fab 2 Plus.
I will do from that.
Wait. We want one one more. One more.
I
We want one more from Saurabh.
will do technical Guruji.
Guys, we need to hear the audio in the video because we have to tweet it to, you know.
Hey, don't do it.
This was it, Nandu. Signing off.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं गौरव आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ टेक टॉक के एक और एपिसोड में। और यहाँ पे मेरे पास में काफी सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टेक न्यूज़, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एंड द लास्ट अनदर वन आई कैन डू दिस नेक्स्ट शर्मा जी जीवन में कभी भी किसी के पीछे मत भागना, नहीं तो लड़की पीछे पड़ जाएगी। नमस्कार, शर्मा टेक्निक में आपका स्वागत है। और आज की सबसे बड़ी टेक्निक की बात करते हैं मेरी फेवरेट कंपनी Xiaomi की तरफ से। तो Xiaomi ने अपना पहला फोन लॉन्च किया है जो कभी इंडिया में आएगा ही नहीं, तो कुछ बात करने के बारे में मतलब ही नहीं है, तो बस भूल जाइए इसके बाद। बात
This is his channel.
Hello, इसकी बड़ी कार हमारे पास।
That's enough for today. माइक में पानी वहीं चला गया।
Hey guys, I won this. Oh my god, this is so huge. I never thought I would won something like this in a contest. I was just doing some mimicry of two YouTubers, that is Technical Guruji and Sharma Ji Technical, and as a prize I won this. This is a tie, I don't know for what, and this is a YouTube t-shirt, the biggest thing actually. Sorry. This is the YouTube. This is the YouTube t-shirt which I just won, and I'm so happy to win this. It's really huge. Man, this place is amazing. Seriously, I'm just having too much of fun. I haven't had my dinner yet, but still, it's pretty much fun. There's a lot of tech creators here who lives in Mumbai, and basically it's a really fun event. Really enjoying it. Though I didn't get the chance to drink the beer, but no issues. But still, it's pretty much fun that I'm here, and I just feel myself lucky that I'm here. It's super fun to be at this event. I met so many exciting tech creators. Who was like kind of inspiration for me in this YouTube thing, and yes, it's pretty much great. I'm really enjoying it, and oh my god, this place is awesome. I'll just give you a small tour about this place. Here we have a counter where you can just simply drink booze, or you can have drinks or whatever you like. It's all like a whole thing, but if you are 21 plus, then only you will get it, otherwise you won't get it. Then here is the entire room, which is the little door, and this is where the event is actually. So as you can see, this place is kind of small, but still it's pretty much enjoyable since the people and the crowd is not too much. So, yeah, it's pretty much exciting, and I'm really enjoying it. Let's upload 2 or 3 videos again, and overall I'm really enjoying it.
Do it now.
Right now. The YouTube happy hour is finally over now, and it was just simply amazing. I just met this guy first time in real, and he's super cool. The way he looks actually in videos, he's more cool than that. I can actually say that after meeting him.
Thank you for that.
And really, I just had great fun. And overall, just one suggestion: please add some more food. The food was very less. I'm still hungry.
The problem is I do not shoot vlogs because when I start shooting vlogs like this, either there is light like this or no light like this. So it's problematic to shoot vlogs. Plus when I start shooting outside, it's you know how you must be.
Okay.
But I'll give you a small hint. Most probably by next weekend you will get a new vlog. I won't cook most probably. But you will but you will see two amazing places in Mumbai where you can get something which is amazing. I'm not going to tell which places, but those are going to be amazing.
Awesome. So if you haven't subscribed to his channel, of course तुमने आपने तो किया ही रहेगा, but नहीं किया तो कर दो.
वो जरूर करना है यार. तो सब्सक्राइबर चाहिए थोड़े से.
1 lakh क्रॉस कर दे साल के पहले.
वो difficult है, but anyway, we'll try our best.
And if you again haven't subscribed to my channel, then
Don't forget to do that right now. And
my channel's name is
it's 10:43. Just click on my face right now if you have profile picture as your face.
My face.
Yes,
I don't have
his
face. I
and my
have
face.
logo.
His logo and my face, because he can add my face to in this. So don't forget to subscribe to both the channels.
Thanks.
This is getting really long. So we'll end the video. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so finally we are going home. We are in Ola cab and we just got Ola cab. It was just very much close. And fortunately it was pretty close, so we just got it right now and we are going to Andheri station where we'll get the we'll get the train and then we'll go to our homes. There are 4-5 people who also have their YouTube channels. So
Hi.
just introduce yourself who wants
Hi
a
guys,
shout out.
Vishnu. You can check my channel. My channel name is Light Tech. Link is in the description.
Really? Yes. I will add.
And you can check my channel, Mr. Happy Meeting. Hey guys, it's Bapao here.
Bapao?
Ganpati Bappa.
Yes, Ganpati Bapao Moria. Guys, Akash here from Bapao-giri. You can check my channel. The link will be in the description. If I'm keeping it in the description.
You need to give it to me, yeah? I don't know. I'll just search for their channel and then I'll in the description below.
And you
Don't
can
worry
check
about
out my
that.
channel too for technical videos, all tips and tricks about WhatsApp or any crucial sites, and more reviews and unboxing will be coming soon. So just check out my channel, which name is VJ Technical. So the link will be in the description down below. And
See, basically everyone here makes a text video, including me. So it's all
Really?
like tech channel here,
It's creative
and
entertaining channel here.
so we all are tech people, and that's what we do to live. रोजी रोटी उससे चलती है. Well guys, we are going home. We are at Andheri station and there's one thing I really like about this station is that it's pretty clean. As you can see, just look at this station. It's pretty beautiful and it's totally clean. You won't find any kind of garbage or any kind of thing which we generally see on our normal railway station. It's totally different from this and I really like this. Just look at it. It's pretty beautiful and it's pretty clean. And really thumbs up for this thing. I don't know who do this cleaning part every day, but still it's pretty much great to see that the station is literally the cleanest station I ever seen in Mumbai. Okay guys, so I'm in Thane right now. It just took me more than 2 hours to reach here. It was such a long journey. I changed 2 trains, first in Western and then in Central, so it was pretty long journey. It almost took me 2 hours to reach Thane. And now again I have to take maybe bus or taxi or whatever I get to go to my home. So I don't know how much time it's going to take. So let's see how much time again it takes to reach me home, because it's already 12:30 and I'm still yet to reach home. So I'm trying to book a Ola, cause Ola helped me a lot today. I took 2 times Ola to go to the YouTube Happy Hour, the venue actually. So let's see if I can find Ola and I just simply reach home within at least before 2 AM, cause my parents are actually shouting at me right now why it's so late. So let's see how much time it takes me to reach home. Okay guys, so
finally I am at home. The Ola cab came pretty fast and it just took me home within just 20-25 minutes. So I'm finally at my home. So overall the YouTube FPR was pretty much a great event. Though I came late, though I reached there late, but still it was pretty great event. I really had great time with all the tech YouTubers. So again, that's all for this vlog then. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you do enjoy this, then I really appreciate if you can click the like button below. And also don't forget to subscribe, as I just told you. If you want to see more tech tips and tricks videos and more tech products unboxing and reviews, so then do subscribe to my channel and stay updated with all my tech products reviews and unboxing and many other tech videos. So that's all for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. This is your host Amok signing off. Until then, bye bye and take care.